Next, take a black sheet and draw the green lines on it. Stick a green paper on it. Now take green color clay and make dots on it. Take 4 different colors of clay to make the flowers. Make a honeybee using yellow color clay and it's ready. Next, take a blue sheet and draw the lines using the blue pen as we have done. Now using a orange color clay, put and press it to make the flowers. Now make some flowers of yellow color as well. Now we will make the leaves using light green color, and then we will make butterflies using red pink color. Draw their antenna and design on its body, and your painting is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a very yummy ice cream cone. Take a brown sheet and stick a cone on it. Draw the check lines on the cone. Now take different colors of clay and make balls and press it to make the scoop of the ice cream. Stick all of them together and it's ready. Thanks for watching. Tell us in the comment section.